Here we have a 68 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB TDCI. Now with this vehicle you do get the 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, finished in black as you can see just there. We've got the all-terrain tyres around them as well. You've then got the sea grey metallic exterior paintwork which looks absolutely fantastic. You may have also noticed we've got a wide arch kit on this Ranger to give it that aggressive styling. At the front here you've got the blacked out Ford badging, front mounted LED light bar and the front mounted nudge bar just below as well. Coming round to this corner you'll see your second 20-inch alloy wheel. You've then got the WILDTRAK decals, side steps just below. You've then got the grey wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, silver roof rails on top just there. And there's a closer look at your third 20-inch alloy wheel. You've then got the load cover on top of the rear, and as you can see here, that is a mountain top load cover there as well. Now opening that up, you'll see that we have got the assistance there to bring that down, so it's soft opening, and there's a look at the space inside there too. Closing that up, we do have both front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera. You've also got a tow bar down there as well. As you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there is a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Going on to the interior next, we'll start at the rear. We've got the half leather interior inside with the orange features and stitching just there. WILDTRAK floor mats down below. 230 volt and 12 volt connectivity points in the centre. Storage behind the front seats. It's also worth saying we do have ISOFIX points within these seats, as well as the fold down armrest in the centre. Now on the doors you'll find your brushed metal handle, electric window controls, more of that leather with the orange stitching, and of course integrated speakers. Going on to the front next, we've got that same half leather interior. Both front seats are heated. The driver also benefits from the electrically adjustable seat movements as well, making it incredibly easy to get comfortable in here. On the doors you've got your brushed metal handle, unlock and lock button, electrically adjustable windows with your child lock for the rear, integrated speakers yet again as well. Auto lights can be found on your right, as well as the electrically adjustable power folding wing mirror controls just there too. Stepping inside, you've then got the grab handles as well on either side just there. Close the door up, turn the key, foot on the brake, and we are away. Now as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard there. You've then got the multifunctional steering wheel with different controls for whilst you're on the go. You've got your speed limiter and cruise control on the right, auto wipers on the right there as well. Coming into the middle, you've got your infotainment screen with features like satellite navigation. You've then got your different media sources like AM, FM and DAB radio, CD and Bluetooth audio, climate controls, phone controls, navigation like I mentioned before, mobile apps. You've also got features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as the ambient lighting settings just here too. Put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see you've got your reversing camera, as well as visual display both front and rear parking sensors. Now coming down, you've then got your dual zone climate controls and stereo controls again, so you can control them either with the physical buttons or on the infotainment screen, whichever takes your preference. Two 12 volt connection points just below, two USBs below there again. You've then also got the button to turn off your beeping on the parking sensors, traction control, hill descent control, 2 high, 4 high and 4 low 4-wheel drive options for off-roading. We can take manual control of the gears by pushing across to the right here and going down or up a gear like so as well. You've then got two good sized cup holders in the middle with your handbrake just here. Again, plenty of orange stitching and leather throughout, which looks absolutely fantastic. Soft touch leather armrest in the centre, which does double up as storage. Of course, you've got the cubbies just there. And we've got the fan there as well, so you can keep items in there cool should you wish. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you'd expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise control button, press set, and we're now cruising at our current speed. To deactivate this, I'll simply press cancel or apply pressure to the brakes, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I am currently in 4th gear, change up to 5th, down to 4th, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd, and then down to 2nd. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now, there are plenty of great features to talk about in this vehicle. Of course, the comfort being one, we've got the incredibly comfortable half leather seats, both front seats being heated, as well as the electrical adjustments for the driver as well. Paired nicely with, of course, the infotainment screen, so we've got a multitude of great features on here, like satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the list goes on. We've even got the reversing camera, etc. on there as well. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as offering free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. If you look online, you'll see that we are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now, just up ahead, I'm going to be taking a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put the vehicle into reverse, and then also drive over a speed bump, just so you can see the vehicle being put through its paces a little bit. We're turning in just now. Emergency brake first, which will be performed in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes there, no problems at all. Straight into reverse again, problem free. And now last thing is driving over the speed bump. There we go. As you can tell, completely free from any knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, I'm not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around, or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.